Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore how to make the most of Monday.com for managing creative projects efficiently. Let's jump right in with the first step, setting up your project board. From your dashboard, select Create, then Board. You can pick a template that fits your project or start fresh. This board will serve as the central hub for all your tasks, deadlines, and team members. Next, let's add tasks, which Monday.com calls pulses. Click Add, type in the task name, and assign it to the appropriate team member. Doing this ensures everyone understands their responsibilities and due dates, keeping your workflow smooth and organized. Now it's time to customize your board columns. Add statuses, timelines, text, numbers, or other columns that help give more detail to each task. For creative projects, a file column can be handy to attach designs, documents, or reference materials. Step 4 is about automation. Click Automate at the top of your board and either choose or create an automation that works for you. For example, you could set it so that when a task's status changes to Done, it automatically moves to a completed group. Automations save time and keep your project moving without constant manual updates. Finally, don't forget to integrate your other tools. Click Integrate at the top and connect your favorite apps. Integrations streamline your workflow, reducing the need to switch between multiple platforms constantly. Here's why it all matters. Monday.com isn't just a simple to-do list. It's a robust platform that can transform how creative teams manage their projects. By setting up a board, assigning tasks, customizing columns, automating workflows, and connecting apps, you're giving your team the structure and efficiency to succeed. That's it for today. Now you know the fundamentals of using Monday.com for creative project management. The key is to tailor and automate everything to match your team's workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.